Let me show you on how to create consistent characters or consistent avatar on Piclumen. First, you need to have the prompt. So let's just go to ChatGPT. This is the prompt that I actually use to generate these other 5 prompts. So I asked ChatGPT to create these 5 prompts in different occasions. So let's just copy the first prompt. And then we're gonna go to Piclumen, go to your search bar and search for piclumen.com. So just click on the free image generator, and then you wanna come across this interface, and then you come here to launch the app. Click on that, and then this is what you're gonna get. So you need to come here to create, click on create, and then come here to description. After you click on the description, just paste your prompt. So you're gonna come here to the model selection, so click on that, and then there are lots of models that you can choose from. So I'm choosing a Piclumen at V1. Okay, then you're gonna come here to the aspect ratio, click on there, and then here are the dimension that you need to choose depending on what you are creating the image for. So since I'm creating for the YouTube, then I'm gonna click on 16 by 9, and then for the TikTok and the YouTube short, this is the perfect size, so I'm gonna go with 16 by 9. Okay, before you go away, you need to scroll down to the image per batch. Okay, so if you want one image, you can just click 1, and then if you want 2, you can click 2. So you cannot go any further since you're on a free version. Okay, so I'm gonna go with 2 images so that I can have options. Okay, then you come here to click, you enter, and then you're gonna need to wait for some few seconds. It's not gonna take long, you just need to be patient. So these are the results. What you need to do is to click on the image, and then you come here on the seed number, copy the seed number, and then go back. Okay, and then you're gonna come here to the advanced settings, click on that, and then you come here to fixed, click on the fixed and put the seed number, copy that you copied from the other side, paste it, and then go back to ChatGPT. Let's just copy the new prompt, and then you're gonna go back to Piclumen again, and then you add the prompt, paste it, and then you enter to submit. Then you're gonna need to wait again for some few seconds. The image is, the consistency is there. Then you can just come here to download the image, and then you can use it to whatever that you wanna use it for. Thank you. See you in the next one.